Welcome to Daya Charge channel. If this tutorial useful, please support us by subscribing. Then, write in the comments if you need a tutorial. This time I will show you how to delete search history on Safari. The first thing is to find where you put the Safari. Then select the Safari icon. Then select the history icon, which is like a book. Select the clear menu at the bottom right. In the clear menu, various options will appear, including all time, today and yesterday, today and the last hour. All time deletes all history. Today and yesterday deletes the history of today that was deleted. Today and the last hour deletes the history of today and the last hour of today. Select the one that will be deleted based on the time frame. And this time I deleted the history all time. Congratulations! You can delete your search history on Safari. See you in the next tutorial.